Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Aslah. I am a law student from 𝘂𝗽𝗀𝗀𝗃 University and I am currently in the fourth year of my 5-year BLLB course. I am a student of the LawSikho. I am enrolled in Diploma in Business Laws for in-house counsels. As I have joined this course, initially I had certain misconceptions that whether it is true that this course is actually worthy. But surprisingly, this course is very much worthy. It teaches the practical aspect which a law student never learns from the law college. Secondly, LawSikho has an excellent support team, whether it is for an international study abroad or for a placement or for freelancing work. Recently, I have joined the freelance group of LawSikho, which they had supported. Coming to the freelancing world, initially I was thought that I cannot earn while learning in the law college and through LawSikho. But the LawSikho team had helped me a lot in applying through Upwork for the proposals. Initially, I had applied through Upwork based on my own cover letter, which was not structured. After structuring by the LawSikho team, I was able to secure 2 freelancing opportunities. The clients were international clients based at USA. Coming to my freelancing journey, initially I have signed a freelancing contract with an international lawyer which requires writing legal blogs. It was a much experienced student about the US patent and trademark laws. Recently, I have got a long-term client in video transcription based on Lexington, Kentucky state of USA. Both are very good international clients, and the LawSikho had helped me a lot in achieving these 2 successful interview for approving by the clients in these jobs. I had earned through freelancing $126 until now, and my freelancing journey still continues with long-term international clients, especially from USA and other international countries and from other international countries. I personally thank LawSikho for providing me these wonderful opportunities. For any law student, I recommend LawSikho courses which are worthy of money. Several people have told that LawSikho course is having huge money, but I say it is worthy of money. If you go to the LawSikho course, you can get even international clients and earn in US dollars and not in Indian rupees. So you can also learn a lot of practical things which you can apply even before completing the 5-year law course or 3-year law course. So I highly recommend LawSikho course for every law student in this country.